Human and physical systems is a social studies topic, but it may end up sounding kind of like a science topic, and there's lots of sciencey type things in this one. So let's take a look. Global warming and climate change are the terms for the observed century-scale rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system and its related effects. Global warming is caused mostly by human activities, such as increasing concentration of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, from the burning of fossil fuels. Most fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, are non-renewable. Renewable resources such as the sun, wind, and rain are renewable, and therefore solar and wind power are considered sustainable energy generators. Deforestation is the removal of a forest or strand of trees where the land is thereafter converted to a non-forest use. Examples of deforestation include conversion of forest land to farms, ranches, or urban use. The most concentrated deforestation occurs in tropical rainforests. Results of deforestation include a loss of biodiversity, increase in greenhouse gas emissions, and the disruption of the water cycle. Ozone depletion describes two distinct but related phenomena observed since the late 1970s. A steady decline of about 4% in the total amount of ozone in the Earth's stratosphere, which is the ozone layer, and a much larger springtime decrease in stratospheric ozone around Earth's polar regions. Since the ozone layer prevents most harmful UVB wavelengths of ultraviolet light, which is UV light, from passing through the Earth's atmosphere, observed and projected decreases in ozone have generated worldwide concern. It is suspected that a variety of biological consequences, such as increases in sunburn, skin cancer, cataracts, and damage to plants, may result from the increased UV exposure due to ozone depletion. The Tropic of Cancer is also referred to as the Northern Tropic. It is the most northerly circle of latitude on Earth at which the sun can be directly overhead. This occurs on the June solstice, when the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun to its maximum extent. Its southern hemisphere counterpart, marking the most southerly position at which the sun can be directly overhead, is the Tropic of Capricorn. These tropics are two of the 5 major circles of latitude that have maps of the Earth besides the Arctic and the Antarctic circles and the equator. The positions of these 2 circles of latitude relative to the equator are dictated by the tilt of the Earth's axis of rotation relative to the plane of its orbit. And finally, just examples of human systems that are really common to see on the exam is the Hoover Dam would be a human system, as opposed to the Grand Canyon or Niagara Falls would be natural systems.